The search has expanded significantly, and it's expanded on 3 different levels: in the air, on the surface of the ocean, and down below as well. The Canadian and the American Coast Guards, they've got additional vessels en route to the search area, and the French have a research vessel that should arrive there today as well. It's equipped with a deep-sea autonomous submersible vehicle. Also, the Americans have flown in 3 C-17 aircraft. The contents, or the cargo in those planes, they've been brought here to the harbour. They are now being loaded onto the ship behind me, the Horizon Arctic. We understand that these materials will be used in the deep-sea rescue attempt as this international rescue operation tries to locate the submersible Titan with the 5 missing men on board. First, however, they have to locate it before they can do an assessment about the structure itself and about the men on board, and it's a difficult operation. No one organization here, either government or private, have all of the skills and experience and specialist equipment that is required to undertake this. The rescue operation is clearly running out of time now. We understand that there is little more than 24 hours of oxygen and energy supplies on the submersible Titan, just 24 hours. That gives the rescuers really very little time, both to reach the craft and then to begin a rescue operation. So an increased sense of urgency here in St. John's, and an increase in the deployment of major assets like ships, like aircraft, like deep sea rescue equipment as well.